Hello, this is Brett from Soul Rebels here today for another workout. I just want to say thank you for anybody that's watching this workout. If you're new to this channel, go ahead and like this video. And if you get something out of it, go ahead and click subscribe. And if you really like it, hit that ding dong ditch. All right. Today, let's just get right into it. We're going to be doing a medicine ball workout. You don't have to use a medicine ball. You can use a soccer ball. You can use a basketball. You know, any kind of round object that's, appropriate for this exercise. We're also going to do a dynamic warm-up. We're going to try to protect our core, our lower back and our core area, because we're going to be doing a lot of posterior chain work. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so our dynamic warm-up, first we're going to do a reverse lunge with the knee up, which is going to be a little bit of a stretch with some balance and strength. And then our second is going to be a plank walk out to walk in. And then last but not least will be Supermans. So let's go ahead and get started with our reverse lunge with a knee up, okay? So let's start with our left leg, and we are going to do 6 on the left and then 6 on the right. So we'll step back, down, come up. 1, we'll balance, okay? 90 degrees, we'll feel a stretch in the quad, we'll come up. Balance 2, we got 6, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Right leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, next we got planks. Those are already getting me. All right, we got planks to walk outs to walk ins. All right, so we're gonna start standing up, feet shoulder width apart. We're gonna reach down, touch our toes, slight bend in the knees, come out into a plank position. That's 1. That's 1, okay? And we've got 6, okay? Here we go, walk out into a plank, boom. 2. 3. 4. 5. Last one. And 6, okay? Warmed up our upper body and our core. Now we're gonna hit that lower back and our glutes. Okay, so these are called Supermans. Go ahead, lay down on your stomach. Put your arms right in front of you. On the count of 3, you're gonna lift up your legs, lift up your hands. So 1, 2, 3. You come up, squeeze your glutes. Fly like Superman to the left. Fly like Superman to the right. We got 20, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. All right. Now, our dynamic warm-up is done. We're gonna get up into our exercise with the medicine ball, okay? If you got a towel, use a towel. It'll help protect your knees with some of the exercises. I use an Eric's pad. So let's go ahead and do our first exercise. We're gonna do single leg hip bridges on the medicine ball, okay? So go ahead and get down. We're gonna get on our back. Bring the ball close into our body. Let's start with our left leg, okay? We're gonna press up, and that's 1. And we are gonna do, how many? I think 6, okay? We're going to come up, that's 2. Don't let your back touch the ground. That's 3, up, 4, up, 5, up, and 6. All right, we're gonna go to the right leg. Make sure you're supporting yourself with your hands on your press, okay? And you'll feel the instability on the ball. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Boy, oh boy, you're gonna feel your posterior chain and your glutes and your hamstrings, lower back just ignite. Just catch on fire, okay? So next exercise is gonna be a medicine ball push-up. Now I like doing these from the knees. You can do this from the full push-up position, but I feel I get more from the exercise from the knees, okay? So we'll start with the left hand. We'll be on the ball, okay? And then we'll have our right hand off. This is gonna create an uneven surface. And we're gonna do a total of 6 reps. Down, 1, push-ups, okay? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. On one side, all right. Now, come to the other side. Right hand will be on the ball. Have our knees, body will be straight. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, first 2 exercises are done. We've hit the lower, now we've hit the upper. Now, we're gonna do some core. And these are one of my favorite core exercises. And you gotta be careful, okay? We don't wanna hyperextend our back. These are called around the world. Okay, so we're gonna get in a wide stance position. Go ahead and get kind of an athletic stance. You're gonna take the ball, you're gonna reach to the side and draw a circle. Come right up above, don't lean back, that's a hyperextension. And that's 1, we're gonna do 6. 2, just right above your nose. 3, and squat and reach. 4, squat, reach. 5, and reach, and 6. Just did 6 on one side. Now we're gonna do 6 on the other side. Reach, and squat, and a circle. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Whew. Those ignite core, glutes, lower back. Really, really nice workout. Don't need to do a lot of them. Now we're gonna do a 4th exercise. This is gonna be a little bit of our cardio work. Okay, using the ball that you got. These are side hops with ball touches. And we got 20 of them. And you're gonna get in a wide kind of squat position. You're gonna squat down, touch, and hop over. 2, 3, 4. And if you can't do the hop, just take a step. That's 1, 2, okay? So you can modify it if you can't do impact. I myself am not. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, here we go, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Yep. Oh yeah. I need to take my 30. It's a good routine today. 1 piece of equipment, 4 different exercises, total body, workout, cardio, strength, complete workout. You know, it hits everything. Okay. Thank you again for joining me on this wonderful day, and you know, taking care of your temple, your body. It's the only one you got. Okay, we're gonna get back into it. We've got medicine ball Hip bridges, again, you're lying on your back, bring the ball close into your butt, okay? But you relax your neck, hands out, bracing yourself. Reach up, that's 1. Up, that's 2. Up, that's 3. Up, that's 4. Up, 5, and last one, 6. Nice. Now right leg, up, 1, up, 2, up, 3, up, 4, up, 5. Last one, and 6. Whew. Those get me every time. All right. Now, we're gonna get into our push-up from the medicine ball. Again, I do these from the knees. If you can do these from the push-up position, full plank position, by all means, go ahead and do it. I myself do not mind doing it from my knees. All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3, we got 6, 4, all the way down, 5, stay stiff, and 6, keep that core tight, belly button pressed in. Now we're gonna do the right side. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, got 6, 5, and 6. All right, I'm starting to sweat. I don't know about you guys, but this is a good one. This one's getting me. All right, now we just did lower, upper. Now we're gonna hit the core. Okay, around the world, getting that athletic stance position, getting low. We're gonna reach to the left, stand up right above the nose. That's 1, draw a circle. 2, 3, 4, 5. Last one, and 6. Here we go, other side. 1, 2, 3. Ball, look at the ball. 4, 5, and 6. Those are tough. I'm not gonna lie, I'm not gonna be ashamed to admit it. Those are taxing, to say the least. I need to get that quick. 30 seconds, maybe 15. We'll see, we'll hit the cardio. We'll do 20 reps. That'll be 2 sets. We'll get right into the 3rd set. Finish that, call it a day, and we'll be done. All right, here we go. Ball taps with side hops. Tap 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We got 20. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Whew. Now, this is a good one today. I'm getting taxed. Make sure you guys eat before your workouts and drink fluids. Make sure you got some water handy because you will have to replenish. Oh boy, yeah. It's fire. It's fire. Let me catch my breath. Bring down the baseline. We'll finish our 3rd set and then we'll be done. That'll be 3 sets of 4 different exercises. Lower, upper, core, cardio. Very well-rounded routine. and it shouldn't take that long. All right, here we go. Last set, we've got medicine ball single leg hip bridges. Let's go ahead and start with our right leg. Let's place our right leg on the ball. Bring it in close, press up. Hands support you. Don't let your back touch the ground. 2, 3, we got 6, 4, 5, and 6. Whew. Okay. And you'll feel this, especially it being on a ball and not having that support, creates instability, and it's just gonna create a huge chain reaction. Just lights everything on fire. Here we go, left leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. All right, lower's done. Now we're on to our push-ups. Okay, I do these from the knees. Again, if you want to do them from the full push-up position, please go ahead and give it a try. They are difficult just on your knees. Really focus just on the form of the exercise. Pay attention to your body. Don't overcompensate. Whole purpose is to feel good, not to get injured. All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, last one, and 6. Man. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. All right, lower, upper is done. Now, on to core. Here we go. In that nice athletic stance. Squat down, reach to the left, come up, right above your nose. That's 1. Squat, draw a circle. 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Here we go. Other side. The right side. Squat down, reach to the right, come up, above the nose. 1, 2, squat. 3. Here we go. 4, and 5, and 6. Yes. Yes, we're on to cardio, and we're gonna call it a day. I have to admit, this one is challenging. I did tweak it a little bit. I felt if I stuck to the 20 reps, it'd be a little too much. And even reducing the reps is a pretty badass workout. I'm not sure I can say that, but so what, I said it anyways. All right, let's finish. 20 ball taps. The side hops, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. All right, guys, that concludes our total body home workout. We did 3 sets of lower, upper, core with cardio. That's 4 different exercises. We killed it, we smashed it. All right, you should feel pumped up. You should feel good. You should be ready to go conquer the day. All right? Again, if you guys like these workouts, if you like these videos, please help grow the channel. Please subscribe, share with your friends, share with your mama, share with your brother, share with whoever you got to share with. Really appreciate the support. So give a thumbs up, hit the ding dong ditch, and Soul Rovers out. You guys have a good one.